To the Democratic Republican Congress, where 250,000 women have been raped in the war.
Any more of the story? Get your finger out your nose.
Finish telling your story. Is that the end of the story?
No.
No,
Oh, there's more?
Yeah.
Well, please tell. This is very interesting.
What happened next?
Nothing. They were taking a picture. Oh, me too.
They were taking the picture,
Yeah.
and they said, "Aw, that's cute."
It was funny. So all the copies.
Were they taking a picture of you?
Yeah.
Oh my! Wow.
And when it was coffee, they spilled it.
And they spilled it?
Oh my.
Yeah. It was like coffee.
They didn't like coffee?
It was. They didn't like coffee. They were with the coffee and mama.
Yeah, Mama loves coffee.
Yeah. I do love coffee.
Mama loves coffee.
And there was a lot of coffee. There were all the in it. All the in the cup. Walk in the plane, walk in the plane, walk in the plane.
Walking all over the place?
No, walk in the plane.
Walk in the plank?
No, walk in the plane.
Walking to the police?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That sounds pretty serious.
And we'll bumping. Wait, Mama, wait.
What? I'm right here, bud.
Wait, was there more?
He's not done.
I'm listening. I'm listening to the story.
We're all listening to you, baby.
Was there more?
Uh-huh.